Hello, Wayland Middle Schools. Mr. Farley here to give you a little explanation about the handout or the page we want you to work on today for just a couple of minutes. It's titled Foolish Factoring. So this might be a little strange if you take a look at this, but I want to do the first two examples with you just to make sure we're okay. So what we're trying to have you find here is we're trying to have you find two numbers whose product is 15 and whose sum is 8. All right, so I'm basically looking for the factors of 15, all right, that add up to 8. That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm hoping that everyone's kind of thinking about this a little bit. And that would be 5 and 3, because I'm pretty sure that 5 times 3, so the product of these two is 15, and the sum of these two would be 8. So that's all I'm looking for, okay? In this one, I'm looking for two numbers, all right, whose product is 8, and who those same two numbers have a sum that is 6. So in other words, I'm looking for the factors of 8 that add up to 6. And I'm hoping, again, we're not having much difficulty with this. The numbers I can think of, the factors of 8 that add to 6, would be 4 and 2. All right. I'm pretty sure that 4 times 2 is 8, and the sum of 4 and 2 happen to be 6. So that's what I'm looking for. So you guys are going to be doing the same for the rest of this page. Hopefully this will go well. We're thinking that you won't have too much difficulty. Just wanting to take a look at number 5 for a minute, if you don't mind. The one with a negative 13, and then I'll call it quits with this video here for you guys to do the rest on your own. On this one down here, what we're looking for are the factors of 40 that have a sum of negative 13. And that might be a little mind-blowing here at the start, but if you really think about it, factors of 40 they could be negative. All right, so I'm pretty sure I could have a negative 8 and a negative 5. I think everyone's in agreement that a negative 8 times a negative 5 would give me 40. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm also pretty sure that negative 8 plus negative 5 is negative 13. So it's a little brain teaser you guys will be doing with this foolish factoring page. You have the rest of those to work on. There's an answer key on the second side. So you guys, it's pretty straightforward. It's not going to take you very long to get through these. But if you have questions, let us know. And if you do have questions, you can probably find most of the answers on the answer key below, and it should make sense to you. So that's it about this one. Foolish Factoring is in the books. And again, as usual, if you have questions, please reach out to Mr. Robinette, and I will get back to you as soon as we can. Take care.